Hello, I'm your friend Sam. I will help you practice short sentences in English. Are you ready? Let's go. Repeat after me. I love my family. Can you repeat that? I love my family. I love my dad. Can you say that? I love my dad. I love my mom. Repeat after me. I love my mom. I love my brother. Your turn. I love my brother. I love my sister. Try saying that. I love my sister. I love my grandpa. Can you repeat that? I love my grandpa. I love my grandma. Can you repeat after me? I love my grandma. I love my friends. Your turn. I love my friends. I love myself. Try saying that. I love myself. I like pizza. Can you repeat that? I like pizza. I like salad. Repeat that. I like salad. I like cat. Can you repeat that? I like cat. I like dog. Repeat after me. I like dog. I like chicken. Repeat that. I like chicken. I like meat. Try saying that. I like meat. I like banana. Your turn. I like banana. I like eggs. Your turn. I like eggs. I like vegetables. Can you repeat that? I like vegetables. I like apple. Can you repeat that? I like apple. I like ice cream. Can you say that? I like ice cream. I dislike ice cream. Try saying that. I dislike ice cream. I dislike apple. Your turn. I dislike apple. I dislike vegetables. Repeat that. I dislike vegetables. I dislike banana. Repeat after me. I dislike banana. I dislike meat. Can you repeat after me? I dislike meat. I dislike chicken. Can you repeat that? I dislike chicken. I dislike cats. Repeat that. I dislike cat. I dislike pizza. Say that. I dislike pizza. I dislike salad. Repeat that. I dislike salad. Well, I dislike eggs. Your turn. I dislike eggs. I dislike dogs. Can you repeat that? I dislike dogs. Now let's practice prefer. I prefer pizza to sushi. Can you repeat that? I prefer pizza to sushi. I prefer bus to train. Your turn. I prefer bus to train. I prefer banana to apple. Repeat that. I prefer banana to apple. I prefer cats to dogs. Your turn. I prefer cat to dogs. I prefer fish to meat. Can you repeat that? I prefer fish to meat. I prefer sunbathing to sightseeing. Can you repeat that? I prefer sunbathing to sightseeing. I prefer English to maths. Try saying that. I prefer English to maths. I prefer television to radio. Repeat that. I prefer television to radio. I prefer city to village. Your turn. I prefer city to village. I prefer tea to coffee. Can you repeat after me? I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer juice to wine. Can you repeat after me? I prefer juice to wine. I prefer house to flat. Can you repeat that? I prefer house to flat. I prefer phone to laptop. Try saying that. I prefer phone to laptop. I prefer boiled eggs to fried eggs. Your turn. I prefer boiled eggs to fried eggs. I prefer red color to white color. Repeat that. I prefer red color to white color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember that practice makes